Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to disable activity status on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on the icon with three lines in the upper right. Then tap on the settings option. Tap on privacy option. Scroll down, then tap on activity status. If you don't want to allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you are active or were last active on Instagram app, you can disable it by typing on the button marked with red. Thus, the process of disabling activity status on Instagram has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.